Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm going to tell you how you can leave a Snapchat private story. So here is my private story. Only one post on there. Only one story, like private story. So we're going to go to the person, going to click on the Bitmoji, which this one does not have a Bitmoji. And then we can click on the three dots at the top right. And once you've clicked them, this screen comes up. So we can click leave private story, and then you can just click leave. Obviously you don't want to block them, well you might do, but I don't want to, and you can just click leave and the private story disappears from the top, and that's how you leave a private story. So we're going to demonstrate this again, because what happens if you have multiple private stories, like from the same person. So we're going to try this now. So we have two private stories on this account, the Priv, which has two posts, and the YouTube demo, which has one post on it at the moment. So let's say I just want to leave one of those two. How do I do it? We're going to go through the same process. Click on the Bitmoji, the three dots, click leave private story, and this pops up at the bottom, and you can click which one you want to leave and then click leave. You can obviously leave both of them if you do the same thing again, but as you can see, only one private story shows up, which is what I wanted. And you can still leave this one, so you can have not be on any of those private stories. Obviously they can still add you back to that private story, so you might have to leave again if you don't want to be on there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.